Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will see the Google Stitch tool. So Google has launched Google Stitch tool, which is an LLM application, and it can be used to create the design for websites and web applications. So with this tool you can create the design for your web application and mobile application. Examples of the design are these. So these all are created by Google Stitch. This is personal photo gallery application, Facebook dashboard application. So let's try with our example. So I would like to create a portfolio app, a portfolio gallery app for musician to showcase, make website with warm and pleasant theme. Now I can select the mobile version or web version. So for now I'll go with the web version and create on generate design. Now the Google model is in the thinking state and it is trying to create the design for us. It is taking time. Now it's created the design for us, and we can see this is a nice home page, one page design. We can click on code to see the code. From here, if we from here we can copy this code and use the code. The important thing here is the tailwind.css. So tailwind.css is being used for designing the application. Now I want a little modification into this design. So I will ask more, add profile, work, contact details pages, and also add hyperlinks in all pages. So let's click here. Now the stitching is working. If you are a web designer and you can use this tool to create the design for your website very fast. So initial design creation process will be very fast for you. So this is the profile page. Then this is the uh, contact page, and this is the listing of works. So all this design is very good. You can interact with the Google Stitch and further modify the design based on your requirement. You can use the prompts to interact with the Stitch and get the design as per your requirement. So this tool is very good, and it can be used by the developers as well as the designers to create the designs for website and web applications. In next video, I will show you more usage of Google Stitch. So this is available in standard mode, and there is another mode, uh, experimental mode. So thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.